Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Rifat Farzam Asyraf.
And my name is Asyraf Sultan Hamonangan Lubis.
And we are from Prestige Bilingual School.
We are ISPO finalists in the environment field with our research entitled Eco-Friendly Mosquito Repellent, a study on the utilization of used cooking oil and coffee grounds as a natural aromatherapeutic agents.
Indonesia focused on dealing with serious environmental issues. One of the crucial issues is the increasing human waste management, producing waste that pollutes the environment and creates ideal conditions for mosquito breeding. Two types of household waste that are of major concern are used cooking oil and coffee grounds. Coffee grounds, waste generated from the coffee making process, also has a significant impact on the environment. If not managed properly, coffee grounds waste can pollute water and soil and produce methane gas that contributes to climate change. Just like used cooking oil, unmanaged piles of coffee grounds can also become breeding grounds for mosquitoes.
Cooking oil, after being used repeatedly, maximum 3 to 4 times, turns into used cooking oil which contains harmful chemical compounds. According to the data from the Indonesian Vegetable Oil Industry Association, or JIMNI, with cooking oil consumption reaching 5.2 million tons and an estimated shrinkage of 40 to 60%. Indonesia produces around 2 to 3 million tons of used cooking oil annually. Used cooking oil waste that is disposed of carelessly can pollute water and soil, create an unhealthy environment, and is favored by mosquitoes. Both used cooking oil and coffee grounds, if not managed properly, can have serious impacts on the environment and human health. Used cooking oil, due to its persistent and non-biodegradable nature, can pollute water and soil, damage ecosystems, and create an ideal environment for mosquitoes. Meanwhile, the uncontrolled decomposition of coffee grounds produces methane gas, a greenhouse gas that exacerbates the climate crisis and results in extreme weather changes that will also trigger an increase in the mosquito population.
Therefore, a comprehensive solution is needed to solve this mosquito and household waste problem. I, Ashraf,
and I, Rafi, propose an innovative solution by developing an eco-friendly mosquito repellent, a study on the utilization of used cooking oil and coffee grounds as a natural aromatherapeutic agents. So today, guys, we're going to test out our mosquito repellent, and this is the aromatherapeutic candle that we made, and yeah, this is our control variable and this is our independent variable. It's a simple mosquito trap, so we're just going to carry out a simple experiment in our bathroom, since our bathroom has the most amount of mosquitoes in our school, so that's why we chose this place. It's the most suitable one to carry out this test, and let's go.
in this control room, we only put the simple mosquito trap.
And in this second room, we're going to put the second mosquito trap with the candle to see if it's effective or not. put this here and the aromatherapy candle here. And now we're just gonna wait for 6 hours and come back to see the result and see which room has more mosquitoes. Yeah, that's it.
Laboratory experiment test results. The effectiveness test was conducted by comparing the number of mosquitoes trapped into two conditions, namely the room without aromatherapy as the control variable and the experimental room with aromatherapy candles as the independent variable for 7 days for 6 hours per day from 3:30 to 8:30 p.m. Based on the observation of the effectiveness test of mosquito repellent aromatherapy candles, it was found that the average number of mosquitoes trapped in the control room was 6.14 compared to the experimental room where the average number of mosquitoes trapped was 0.14.
Survey and questionnaire results. To determine the public perception of mosquito repellent aromatherapy candles in reducing cooking oil and coffee grounds waste, questionnaires were distributed to 20 respondents who have used mosquito repellent aromatherapy candles with an average usage frequency of 3 hours a day. Based on the survey results, in the aspect of effectiveness obtains an average score 84.25%. In the category very feasible. In the aspect of safety gets an average score 91.75%. In the category very feasible. In the aspect of convenience gets an average score 90%. In the category very feasible. In the aspect of preference gets an average score 88%. In the category very feasible. We hope that our research is able to help those around us.
Thank you for watching. A cleaner world starts with you. Bye-bye.